Hi, do you know where to go? To school or at school? Come here or go away? Movement words are tricky. Today, Stickman shows you 10 hacks to move correctly. Let's go. Hack number 1. Come versus go. The rule is simple. Movement towards the speaker is come. Come here. Come to me. Movement away from the speaker is go. Go there. Go away. Come is closer. Go is further. Hack number 2. Bring versus take. Do you want the object here with you? Use bring. Please, bring me the pizza. Do you want the object there, somewhere else? Use take. Take the trash out. Bring it here. Take it away. Hack number 3. Into versus in. Are you moving from outside to inside? That is an action. Stickman jumps into the water. Action uses into. Are you already inside? No movement? That is a position. Stickman swims in the water. Into is movement. In is location. Hack number 4. To versus at. Are you walking? Are you driving? If you travel, use to. Go to school. To shows direction. Did you stop? Are you waiting? If you are standing still, use at. I am at school. To is an arrow. At is a dot. Hack number 5. Push versus pull. Look at the force. Do you move the object away from your body? That is push. Push the door forward. Do you move the object closer to your body? That is pull. Pull the door back. Push away, pull closer. Hack number 6. Across versus through. Are you on a flat surface, like a road or a river? To go from side to side is across. Walk across the street. Are you inside something, like a tunnel or a forest? To go inside and out is through. Walk through the forest. Hack number 7. Arrive in or arrive at. Look at the map. Is it a big area, a city, a country? Use in. Arrive in London. Arrive in USA. Is it a specific building, a single point on the map? Use at. Arrive at the hotel. Arrive at the airport. Hack number 8. Rise versus raise. Does it move up by itself, like the sun or smoke? Nobody touches it. It rises. The sun rises. Do you use your hands to move it up? You need energy. You raise your hand. Rise is automatic. Raise is manual. Hack number 9. Over versus under. Imagine a wall. Do you jump above it? That is over. The sheep jumps over the fence. Imagine a table. Do you crawl below it? That is under. The cat is under the table. Over is up. Under is down. Hack number 10. Throw to versus throw at. Do you want your friend to catch the ball? It is a game. Throw to him. This is friendly. Do you want to hit someone, like a weapon? Throw at him. To is for friends. At is for targets. Now you know how to move in English. No more getting lost. Which pair was useful? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Stickman English. See you next time.